First, Sean gets from land club. You're going to draw a bird.
A toucan bird.
A toucan bird.
Toucan bird.
Toucan bird.
Yes. So, are you enjoying your vacations? Parikshit, are you enjoying your vacation?
Yeah.
It's a little boring with in lockdown and being at home all the time, right? But yeah, he had his PS4 and he's enjoying the game.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this Spider-Man level is a little difficult.
Little difficult. Okay, so let's start with the drawing of Toucan Bird.
Yeah.
We'll be needing, as always, a black sketch pen, some colors, and a white paper.
This will be a little difficult, but
No, it's not gonna be a difficult one. Okay. Just if you follow me, it won't be difficult at all.
yeah. Let me see that one.
Yeah.
It's still tearing it down.
It's okay.
And I'm not able to draw properly.
Let's start with the beak.
You were also about to say this only, yeah.
Yeah.
But why do we need the beak first? This Toucan bird is mostly his body is going to be black.
Yes. So the beak is done. Now let us do the body.
Yeah. The most easiest part of this drawing. Right, Papa?
Yeah.
Which is the easiest part of this drawing, you think, Papa?
Everything is easy.
Not everything of this drawing. You made such a funny face.
Mm-hmm. And who said you that this is a funny face? And let's make a branch of the tree on which this bird is sitting.
Why have you left some space?
This is for the legs. Okay.
But you didn't need a space also.
Now the eyes. Yeah. What happened? It's okay.
What happened? Why are you changing the drawing?
Yeah. Now that we are done with the drawing, we'll be quickly coloring it.
We don't need to color it.
Yeah, we need to color this one. This looks beautiful when colored. Yes, it will. Parikshit, it will look beautiful when colored.
No.
We'll be using a grey color. We'll be using a grey color, a little bit of orange, some yellow,
Ouch.
some yellow. Okay, come on, take your grey color.
When we use the normal dark pencil or anything sketch pen, that would be so difficult to not get the color in the border. And Sharpie, you can't.
What are you doing? Why are you coloring with Sharpie? It will take a lot of time.
I don't know. If this goes out, my color, then what will happen?
Nothing.
Then the color will get bad if I color with
No, it won't.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now it's looking. Yours not looking like a toucan bird. Actually, Papa, it's not. It's looking like a parrot. Papa,
Yes.
it's looking like a parrot.
I don't know what it's looking like.
Papa, that one's a black color.
Okay. Now I'll color the branch on which this bird is sitting on.
Papa,
Yes.
should I tell you? You don't have to.
Okay, this is done. Now let's color the legs a little. Okay, we are done with the coloring. Parikshit is still doing the color. Let's wait for him until he gets done with his coloring part.
Next, what are we going to draw? Baba,
Yes, Parikshit?
next, what are we going to draw?
Are you done with this drawing?
No.
No, you're not. Okay, so you're done?
Draw. Next, tell me what are we going to draw?
We are going to draw a duck.
We don't need to draw duck.
Why? Okay. So parents, do not forget to share your kids'
Yeah,
drawings with
yeah,
us if you want to win some exciting goodies.
Yeah.
He does not want to gift his goodies with you, share.
No.
No.
Parents have to share their kids' drawing.
Yes.
And the kids will get the goodies, not parents.
Yeah.
Why were you saying parents will get goodies?
Oh. So sorry. So are we done?
Yeah.